Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to add or edit your out of office or holiday voicemail greeting on Microsoft Teams. Please note we are in the desktop application. You cannot reach these settings in the mobile application. So let's get started. In the upper right hand corner we're going to click on the circle that'll either have your initial or your profile picture in it, and then go down to settings. Now on the left hand side we're going to scroll down to calls and then click configure voicemail. This is going to pull up all of your voicemail settings. So if you need to set up your voicemail for the first time, you can click record a greeting here, or you can use text to speech and type in your custom greeting here. So for out of office greeting, we're going to type in our message here. Thanks for calling Data Trends. We are currently closed for the holidays. You can customize this however you'd like. And then scroll down, and we have some options for when our custom greeting should play. You can choose all the time. If you choose all the time, you are going to need to go back into these settings when you come back into the office and uncheck this box. That will switch it back over to your regular voicemail. Or you can do when I have an Outlook auto reply turned on, and or when I have an out of office calendar event. If you choose either one of these, it's going to auto switch to your regular voicemail when your auto reply is turned off or your calendar event has ended. When you're ready, click OK. And that's it. It's pretty simple.